This is the boys' roar. I'm like the eye of the tiger. I'm sorry. What's that? Oh. What the The attack. The attack was planned. Whoa, what is this editing? Someone did say the editing was fire. Whoa! That edit transition was fire. Boom. Don't call him like that. What decides what's evil? Who decides? Damn, all in black? They like, oh, with the crop top, they not here to play. Ooh, ooh. Okay, videography. Oh, whoa, whoa, what is this post-editing? My God. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, I haven't stopped saying ooh. These edits are fire. You look at that. Whoa, what a pause. That looks like a cursed image. I'm not gonna lie. Whoa, that's kind of creepy. But I like how he didn't show his feet for free. He said, "Tease. Link in the description. Check my tree link tree, tree link." And then yeah, he put his shoe in. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, is this my favorite The Boys song? Oh, I like how this is going. What the hell? Ooh, they did that for me. They did that for me. That body roll, you already know that's for me. You can't say otherwise. Ooh, what the hell is that? Oh my God, the transitions in this music video is crazy, actually. Whoa, so much happening. So much editing in the video. I love it. I love everything about this already. The song already hits. The music video is already gonna be fire. Ooh, whoa. What the hell? The camera work is fire too. Oh, with his wings. As you should. As you should. Yo. Oh, what is that? They went past the bars, right? To make it 3D? Yep. That's some fuckboy shit. I'm not gonna lie. That is some fuckboy shit. Who the hell goes like this and go like that? Don't do that. Don't do that. That's gonna destroy somebody. That's gonna hurt somebody somehow. He went. Stop that! You can't do that. Ooh. But keep on doing it. Wow. Wow, I have to replay again because I want to. Oh my God. Woo, okay. Call it instinct. Ooh, this transition's fire. This might be my favorite The Boys song. Damn, that was kind of bloody. Oh. Whoa. Ooh, he running. What the fuck was that edit? Who edited this? I'm being inspired. It's been a minute since I seen him. Whoa. Look at this. And then blacks out. Fallen Angel. What the fuck? What the? What the hell? Action. That was good. That was good. There's a lot of good transitions here. It's overload actually. Ooh, vocal. Favorite song. Favorite song from the boys. Instantly. I'm gonna just say it right here. Favorite song. God damn. Wow, who directed and edited this? The song itself is actually really good. It's definitely one of my faves from the boys. But the editing, I want to know. There's a lot of great editing in here. Holy shit. Their video is their best too. I mean, everybody has an opinion of what their favorite The Boys song is, but this music video is one of my favorites. It's definitely one of my favorites in K-pop right now. Some of the transition editing is just nice, and it's very inspiring to me actually. Let me see it again. Oh, let's go. This is the biggest budget I've seen with them. Yeah, exactly. There's so much post-production, which I love, and I'm always about the clean edits, the clean transitions. Dre, love you. What? Oh, good. Thank you for what? Wait, he deleted it. But the boys, the boys are good. This is one of my favorites. This is one of my favorites.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.